Yes, students, we are starting alkyl halides chapter. What are alkyl halides? In which halogen group is attached to hydrocarbon chain, that is by the replacement of one or more hydrogen atoms of hydrocarbon by the number of halogen atoms. Halogen atom may be fluorine, chlorine, bromine or iodine, and these can be categorized into two categories, that is aliphatic halogen derivatives or halogen derivatives of aromatic hydrocarbons. First means aliphatic च दो आ जाते अगे अपने को हेलोअल्कीन्स एंड हेलोअल्काइन्स simple, in which hydrogen atoms of alkanes are replaced by the halogen atom, that is the CH3Cl, CH2Cl2, CHCl3. All these are examples of haloalkenes in which one hydrogen atom or two hydrogen atoms of the alkene are replaced by the halogen atoms, and in this important, that is vinyl chloride and allyl chloride. Vinyl chloride in which the carbon, that is double bonded carbon, in which hydrogen is replaced by the Cl, that is vinyl chloride. And in allyl chloride there will be alpha hydrogen, that is carbon double bond carbon, जो नाल वाला कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड कार्बन दे नाल वाला कार्बन होएगा adjacent carbon, that will be alpha carbon, and in which that is hydrogen is replaced by the chlorine group, and that is called allyl chloride. So two compounds, vinyl chloride and allyl chloride. Haloalkynes in which hydrogen atom of alkyne that is replaced by the Cl group or Br group, that is chloroethine, etc. All these are the examples. Halogen derivatives of aromatic hydrocarbons, in which first will be categorized nuclear substituted derivatives, in which directly benzene ring hydrogen is replaced by the Cl group, or with the any hydrogen atom ortho, para, meta position, that is nuclear substituted derivatives. And second is side chain substituted derivatives, in which there are important example, that is benzyl chloride, in which benzene having CH3 group, and CH3 group, that is one hydrogen is replaced by the Cl group, that is called benzyl chloride. If two hydrogen atoms are replaced by the Cl group, that is CHCl2 benzene ring de naal, that is also called benzyl dichloride. And if all the three chlorine hydrogen atoms are replaced with the Cl groups, and that is called benzo trichloride, and all these are the side chain substituted derivatives. Next is classification of alkyl halides, that is primary, secondary and tertiary. If halogen atom is attached to primary carbon, that is called primary halides. If that is halogen atom is attached to secondary carbon atom, that is called secondary halides. Tertiary carbon alata, then that is called tertiary halides. It means that is tertiary halides की होएगा जेड़ा tertiary carbon है, carbon that is attached to three carbon atoms, when it is attached to the BrCl group or iodine group, that is called tertiary halides. Next is nomenclature, simple है, ये तुसी किता होया. Next is structural isomerism in alkyl halides. First is chain isomerism and second is position isomerism. ਜਿਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਕਿ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲੇ 4 और more कार्बन एटम्स है, चेन च डिफरेंस होएगा. फॉर एग्जांपल 1 क्लोरोब्यूटेन या आप कहिए 2 क्लोरो 2 मिथाइल प्रोपेन या आइसोब्यूटाइल क्लोराइड, in which there will be straight chain of carbon atom, 4 carbon atoms and 1 Cl group, and second is 4 carbon atom that in branched form and Cl group is attached. Second is position isomerism, in which there is difference in the position of halogen group. For example 1 iodopropane and second is 2 iodopropane. If iodine is attached to one carbon atom naming 1 2 3, and if carbon atom is attached to if halogen atom is attached to secondary carbon atom, then that both are 2 iodopropane 1 iodopropane, that are position isomers. Next is methods of preparation. फर्स्ट मैथड देखो अपने को फ्रॉम एल्कोहल्स इंपॉर्टेंट है. फ्रॉम एल्कोहल्स तो मैथड विच अपने को there are two methods. One is एक्शन ऑफ halogen halides. Second is action of phosphorus halides. First, action of hydrogen halides, for example HCl, HBr, HI, all these are the hydrogen halides. And in this we have three types of alkyl halides: primary, secondary and tertiary alkyl halides. And we are having HCl, HBr, HI. देन की होगा ना, द रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज देखिए तो अपने को फर्स्टली टर्शियरी अल्काइल हैलाइड विल बी मोर reactive than secondary than primary alkyl halides. And in other case HI, that will be more reactive than HBr than HCl. So अपने को की होएगा, for the reaction with HCl, HBr or HI we need some reagent, that is the presence of anhydrous zinc chloride, that is also called Group's process. So ਆਪਾਂ HCl गैस पास करांगे in presence of anhydrous zinc chloride किसी कैटालिस्ट की प्रेजेंस से या आपकी ये रिएजेंट की प्रेजेंस से. then this reaction will takes place. One OH group is substituted by the Cl group and there will be formation of alkyl halide. If in spite of primary and secondary alkyl halide we take tertiary alkyl halide, in that case we don't need anhydrous zinc chloride because tertiary alkyl halides that will be more stable. सो टर्शरी जो एल्कोहल होएगा ਉਹਦੇ 'ਚ अपने को की है एनहाइड्रस जिंक क्लोराइड नहीं ऐड करना पेगा. सो अपने को की है डायरेक्ट रिएक्शन होएगी विद HCl कंसनट्रेटेड नाल, देन वी ऑब्टेन द टर्शरी एल्काइल हैलाइड्स. Second, with alkyl bromides and iodides HBr and HI, then also we do not need the presence of anhydrous zinc chloride. ये आपकी ये कैटलिस्ट दी नहीं है, सीधा अपने को की होगा HBr, बॉइलिंग HBr एंड HI दी प्रेजेंस से अपने को की है रिएक्शन हो जाएगी. एंड ऑल दीज आर नॉट डायरेक्टली प्रिपेयर्ड HBr एंड HI, दे आर इन सिचू प्रैपरेशन होएगी. दिस फॉर एग्जांपल HBr दी प्रैपरेशन किस तरह होएगी, NaBr दे विच आपां की ऐड करांगे H2SO4 कंसनट्रेटेड. इन्हां दोनों दी रिएक्शन नाल की बनेगा, HBr बनेगा. सिमिलरली की है KI दी किहदे नाल करवावांगे, फॉस्फोरिक एसिड नाल, तो दैन वी ऑब्टेन HI बनेगा. एंड HI नाल रिएक्शन करके अल्कोहल दी फर्दर की होएगी, देयर विल बी सब्सटीट्यूशन ऑफ अल्काइल हैलाइड. नेक्स्ट इज़ अपने को की आइंदा एक्शन ऑफ फॉस्फोरस हैलाइड्स. फॉस्फोरस हैलाइड्स च आप रिएक्शन कराएंगे विद द PCl3, PCl5 एंड थर्ड कैटेगरी इज़ SOCl2. तीन आ जाते अपने को PCl3, PCl5 एंड SOCl2, दैट इज़ थायोनिल क्लोराइड, या आप फॉस्फोरस ट्राइक्लोराइड एंड पेंटाक्लोराइड. विद PCl3 we take 3 molecules of alcohol plus PCl3, then there will be formation of 3 molecules of alkyl halide plus removal of H3PO3. And when we react alcohol with PCl5, then there will be formation of alkyl halide plus HCl plus POCl3. So ये तुसी याद रखना, with PCl3 there will be formation of H3PO3 and with PCl5 there will be preparation of there will be formation of POCl3 and HCl plus alkyl halides. And next is action of thionyl chloride with SOCl2, there will be formation of alkyl halide plus removal of SO2 plus HCl, and this method is considered as best method for the preparation of alkyl halides because both SO2 as well as HCl are both gaseous form and that can be easily removed from the reaction mixture and we obtain the alkyl halide. Next is addition of hydrogen halides to alkenes. Alkenes na reaction करावांगे with HCl plus HI plus HBr, then there will be formation of alkyl halide. In this, if we take HI and HCl, then there will be, if there is symmetric alkene, for example ethene, then addition of hydrogen and iodide can take place on any of the carbon atom. If we are having unsymmetrical alkene, for example CH3, CH, CH2, that is propene, in this case if we add HCl, then one is delta H positive and Cl ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗਾ delta negative. Then in this there will be formation of two products, one will be 2-chloropropane and other can be 1-chloropropane, but here there will be कौन सा रूल फॉलो होगा, डैट इज़ मार्कोनिकॉफ रूल। मार्कोनिकॉफ रूल के अकॉर्डिंग की हुंदा अपने कोले जो पॉजिटिव पार्ट है डैट रीएजेंट दा डैट गोज़ टू डैट एल्कीन दे जिहड़े कार्बन ते जाएगा जिन्हां कोले की होएगा मोर नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एटम्स। कहंदा की मीनिंग है वैन एडिशन अक्रॉस एन अनसिमेट्रिकल alkene, then positive part of the reagent that goes to that carbon atom which is having more number of hydrogen atoms. It means HCl H delta positive, Cl delta negative. H delta positive है positive part है that will goes to that carbon atom which is having more number of हाइड्रोजन एटम। सो कार्बन डबल बॉन्डेड दे नाल केड़ा CH2 डैट इज़ हैविंग मोर हाइड्रोजन एटम। सो Cl सैकेंड कार्बन ते जाएगा और H अपने कोले टर्मिनल कार्बन ते जाएगा। सो अपने कोले की बनेगा 2 क्लोरोप्रोपेन। सो इन केस ऑफ HBr इफ वी टेक peroxide, if in the presence of peroxide then there will be anti-Markovnikov rule follows, and if we take in the absence of peroxide then की होगा Markovnikov rule formed. In the presence of peroxide there will be formation of one bromopropane, and if in the absence of peroxide there will be 2 bromopropane. Anti-Markovnikov rule that will be against the Markovnikov rule, opposite to Markovnikov rule. According to anti-Markovnikov rule, the positive part goes to that carbon atom which is having less number of hydrogen atoms. Next is halogenation of alkanes. Alkanes से तुसी रिएक्शन की हुई है मीथेन दी, अगर आप Cl2 ना रिएक्शन कर दें इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ सनलाइट देयर विल बी फॉर्मेशन ऑफ CH3Cl प्लस HCl। बट इन दिस जो रिएक्शन दी मेन ड्रॉबैक की है वी ऑब्टेन ए मिक्सचर ऑफ आइसोमेरिक सब्सटीट्यूटेड प्रोडक्ट्स, फॉर एग्जांपल N प्रोपाइल क्लोराइड, आइसोप्रोपाइल क्लोराइड, एंड वी ऑब्टेन ए number of isomeric compounds. So this method is only used for industrial purpose लिए आप यूज़ करते हैं। नेक्स्ट इज़ फिंकलस्टीन रिएक्शन, ये आप की के बाय हैलाइड एक्सचेंज इंपॉर्टेंट रिएक्शन है। अगर आप ब्रोमो इथेन की रिएक्शन करते हैं विद NaI सोडियम आयोडाइड इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ एसीटोन देन देयर विल बी फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एल्काइल आयोडाइड प्लस NaBr रिमूव होएगा। इन दिस Br ग्रुप इज सब्सटीट्यूटेड बाय द आयोडीन ग्रुप इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ एसीटोन, that is by halide exchange, that is also called Finkelstein reaction. Next, fifth method is from silver salt of carboxylic acid, important reaction है Borodin-Hundsteiger reaction. In this we take silver salt of carboxylic acid plus Br2 in presence of CCl4, then there will be formation of alkyl halide plus removal of carbon dioxide plus AgBr remove होएगा. In this we can also take, in spite of Br2 we can take Cl2, but in that case reaction yield that will be poor reaction yield होएगी. If we take I2 in presence of CCl4 then we obtain ester formation in spite of alkyl halide. So all these are the 5 methods of preparation of alkyl halide. First अगर आप लेने हैं फर्स्ट मेथड you can also ask alkanes दी halogenation. Second is हेलोजिन HCl या HB और HI ऐड कर दें, एल्कीन्स तो होगी फ्रॉम एल्कीन्स. थर्ड मेथड आप कह सकते हैं फ्रॉम एल्कोहल्स. इन एल्कोहल्स देयर विल बी हाइड्रोजन HCl HB और HI एंड PCl3 PCl5 and SOCl2 and 2 reactions, that is Finkelstein reaction, naming reactions and Borodin-Hundsteiger reaction. Next is, all these are the 5 methods of preparation of alkyl halides. Next is physical properties. Physical properties से first है physical state all over जो होंगे alkyl halides that will be in colorless gaseous form. Second is boiling point. So boiling point की होएगा alkyl halides are having high boiling points then the corresponding जो lower hydrocarbons. So ਇਹਦੇ 'ਚ अगर ਆਪਾਂ लिखिए for the given alkyl group, अगर halogens ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੀਏ ਆਪਾਂ, मैं ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਵੀ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਜਿਹੜਾ iodide ਹੋ ਗਿਆ alkyl iodide Ri that will be more reactive than RPr than RCl. So because as we increase the जो होएगा mass increase होएगा, there will be increase in intermolecular forces and therefore intermolecular forces decreases with decrease in size of halogen atom, that is size की दा ज़्यादा होएगा iodine दा then B